Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. In the next few episodes, I will be installing a little electrical mock-up into my workshop right here. Probably either that wall or that wall, I'll find a space for it. So I'm thinking of a small electrical mock-up so that I could do future training videos and so that I can bring you guys much closer to where the action is. Stay tuned, I'm going over to the shop to get some wood and we'll be right back. Now we're on our way. These guys are called Ban Heng Leong. You can check out the address in the link down below. They used to have a shop in Kelantan and they're really well known in the DIY community. Back in the day when I used to run a soundproofing company, we got all their wood from these guys and it's quite a good price. So they're fair, they're pricing, they cut the wood for you, don't have big pieces of wood to bring around for your own DIY projects. Alright, seems like it's right there. There's no signboard, so this should be Ban Heng Leong. There is no sign on the outside, the only sign is that tiny little one right up there. Their big shop sign is right above the their main office right there. So you bring your plans, alright? Like I've got my designs right here, and you put this. Give this to those guys right there at the office at the cutter, and they would cut wood to whatever size you want. You know, there are heaps of different thicknesses, different sizes. Look for Raymond or Patrick and they will hook you up. If you like that. Hi, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you found that helpful. If you'd like to support me a little more, right down below, if you swipe towards the right after the like button, there is something called Super Thanks, and you could choose an amount that you think would be very helpful to the channel in producing more videos for people like yourself. Thank you so much for your contribution, and also, if you're not a member yet, do check out our membership program. You could get to watch special videos, you can get to talk to me independently, or even network. If you're a business person, if you have a product or services, we could work together in, helping more people like yourself, like anybody who needs help. Thank you so much for your support once again, and I'll see you on the next video.